Guys, it's Jerry Battaglia out here in Long Island, New York, and I was told about this car, so I came to take a look at it. So check this. There's an '88 Cutlass Supreme here, Oldsmobile, in a barn. Just left here. Got the Cutlass Supreme Classic, Landau top, white, beautiful car, blue interior. Smells like raccoons are in here, or rats or something, but got the microwave in the back. Plush interior. Just trying to see how many miles are in here. I really can't see it, but let's see what I'm going to say. Check it out, but it's like low miles. Find this classic car and just sitting here. Sorry about that. Been off the road since 01, last inspected in 2000. See how many miles are on it. 5,000 miles, it's saying. Let me try to zoom in on that, guys. Mileage 5,000 miles. 88 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, 5,000 miles. Sitting in a garage. Crazy. I don't think it's 105. Let's try to open up the hood here. So we got here. A rat nest right there. 5,000 mile car, guys. Look at this car. It's like brand new. I don't know what dealership was bought at. Can't open this door, but no plates. There it is, 88 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme with only 5,000 miles. Wow, crazy. Finding classic cars over Long Island, New York, guys. This thing would have cleaned up nice, but it's in here in a barn in an abandoned house out here in Long Island, New York. But there it is. Let's see what's in here. Anything in here? Oh, got a reg. Got a reg. All right. An owner's manual. Take the hubcaps off, the original tool. Guys, there it is. Find another classic car in Long Island, New York. Follow me on YouTube. Have a great day.